Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to SSH connection in remote desktop. SSH means remote desktop connection, and a secure copy from remote computer. I have two virtual machines, one is Red Hat and one is CentOS. To connect secure connection, you need to make sure that net connection is available on your PC. For that, I have to check the net connection in my PC. Now I am going to terminal and I have to type ifconfig, hit the enter button. This is my IP address. That means net connection is available in my PC. Otherwise, you can use ping and type the IP address. And hit the enter button. That means net connection is available in my PC. Viewers, OpenSSH has two parts, one for server and one for clients. OpenSSH is installed by default in Linux operating system. Now I am going to check the OpenSSH package is installed in my PC. For that I have to type rpm option qa pipe space grep space OpenSSH. Hit the enter button. That means OpenSSH has been installed in my PC. Because you have not installed OpenSSH in your PC, you have to type yum install OpenSSH option yes and hit the enter button. OpenSSH will install from yum server. I will not hit the enter button because OpenSSH has already installed in my PC. Now you have to check firewall port. For that I have to type firewall cmd list all. Whereas as you can see, firewall port is 22 TCP and 25 TCP. You have if you have no ports, you can add firewall port. To add a firewall port, you have to type firewall cmd permanent Zoom public at port 22 TCP and hit the enter button. Firewall port will be added, but I will not hit the enter button because firewall port already added. After added firewall port, you have to reload the firewall. For that you have to type firewall cmd reload and hit the enter button. Firewall reload success. Now I will show how to secure connect from Windows. Then I will show how to secure connect from CentOS to Red Hat. Viewers, this is Red Hat. As you can see, root @Red Hat. Now I am going to my Windows machine. To secure connection from Windows, you have to download PuTTY from online. I have already installed PuTTY. As I type search in the search bar PuTTY. This is my viewers. You have to type here the host name or IP address in your server. I'm going to check my IP address. This is my IP address. Now I will type the IP address. Viewers, you need to make sure the port number and hit the open. Viewers, as you can see, this is Linux interface. You will log in as a root, that means super user. So I have to type root and I will provide the root password. Viewers, as you can see, this is Red Hat. Now I am in Red Hat. Here I will make a directory. This directory will be created in our in Red Hat machine. So I will create a directory. SSHDIR. Sorry. Desktop create kori. I will create a directory that's name SSHDIR in desktop in my Red Hat PC. Hit the enter button. SSHDIR has been created in Red Hat. Now I am going to in my Red Hat machine. This is my Red Hat machine. This is my Red Hat machine, and I has been created a directory that's name SSHDIR. This is a directory has been created in Red Hat desktop. Now I will show you how to connect from CentOS. This is my CentOS machine. This is my CentOS machine, and I will show you how to connect from CentOS. For that I have to type SSH root @ server IP address. One 192.168.43.46. Hit the enter button. So I have to type the server root password. Viewers, as you can see, I am in Red Hat from CentOS machine. Now I will create I have created a directory that's named SSHDIR in Red Hat machine from CentOS machine. Now I am going to my Red Hat machine. This is a directory that's named SSHDIR. I will create. I have created the directory from CentOS machine. Viewers, I am going to now how to secure copy from Red Hat. For that I have to type scp space root @ IP address, server IP address, Red Hat server IP address. First, I will copy a passwd file from Red Hat. This is Red Hat, and passwd. I will copy this file in CentOS from Red Hat. For that I have to type the absolute path etc passwd next button, hit the enter button. Viewers, this is my CentOS and this is my Red Hat. So now I am going to show you that passwd file is here. I have copied the passwd file from Red Hat. This is secure copy.